The joys of Pops Fernandez. At ngayon, magpapaligaya ng mga mata ng manonood sa kanyang bagong pelikulang Sumasagitsit sa Init. Ngunit kumpleto man siya sa mata ng kanyang fans at ng kanyang pamilya, maligaya na rin kaya siya sa larangan ng puso? A checklist on the different joys of Pops Fernandez. A reality check on matters of the heart. Pops Fernandez, Chris and Tel.
Her friendship makes me happy. Please welcome Pops Fernandez.
Hello, Miss Chris.
Hi, girl.
Ann. Ano, Ellen?
Ikaw si Ellen, ako si Ann.
I wanna be Ann.
Split na tayo. Okay. Umpisahan natin na Rated X yung trailer, which I saw in the X version. And then I saw the approved version ng Friday night.
Yeah.
Okay, so ganun na yung pinakita trailer pa lang. How much more blatant will it be pag totoong pelikula na?
I think it was only rated X because there was some violence involved.
And breasts. Not yours?
Not mine!
Ah, hindi yun.
Take note, baka masulat na naman ako.
hindi.
Not mine po. Because it's a mixture of a suspense, action, thriller na may pagka-sexy.
5 lalaking nakapaligid sa'yo sa istorya nito. Diba? Merong the congressman who's the husband, the investigator played by Deether, who you were kissing there kanina. Ba't mo kinis si investigator?
Sinabi niya eh.
Okay. May estudyante ka doon, tapos merong kang lover.
Yeah.
Kasi merong, di ba may mga parang kissing scene, love scene with Anton Bernardo.
Anton.
Sino yung panlima?
Panglima is Allison, the 7th. Not the
Okay.
5th, not the 3rd, but the 7th. I don't know why 7. He explained it, I forgot the reason why. He actually helps solve problems in my life.
Explain to me the title. Bakit gusto ko ng lumigaya?
Gusto ko ng lumigaya because it's about Christine, the character I play, who is physically and emotionally abused by her husband, played by Albert. So in her search for her happiness, she actually touches lives of different people and men in particular.
Na-shock ako, Pops, kasi lumalabas sa mga balita na naghubot-hubad daw talaga si Anton Bernardo sa harap mo. True?
Hindi, kung ganun man ho, wala ho akong nakita, promise. Sa mukha lang niya ho ako nakatingin.
Bakit naman hindi ka pa tumingin? Kung ako tumingin na ako, chance na yun.
Nahiyaan ho, actually, ako ho ang napahiya.
Ikaw?
Na parang, sandali lang ha. I know it's just a scene and I think it's the scene that everybody thinks na is such a daring scene for me. They have to watch the movie for them to understand why the scene was very important, no? But anyway, because Anton, I guess, is known for his very sexy roles, aside from his sexy body. Syempre ako na yung napahiya nung eksena namin kasi magkaharap kami noon. As he was taking off his towel, sabi ko, sandali lang ha, I'll turn around. Action na, direct. Nung action na, tsaka ako, okay, I'm ready. Pero sa mukha lang niya ako nakatingin,
Corny ka talaga, eh.
Siyempre!
Pops, ano yung 5 bagay or 5 mga tao or whatever sa buhay mo at this point na talaga nagpapaligaya sa'yo? 5.
Ang dami naman nun. Pwede, kontian natin.
Siguro 5.
5? Of course, my 2 boys. They make me very happy.
Pangalawa?
Pangalawa, madami. Siyempre, my family.
Your mom,
my
your
mom,
sister,
my sister, my brothers. They keep me sane.
Okay.
And
Pangatlo?
they keep me normal. Pangatlo, siguro my friends who I can really call friends, who I can really trust my heart and soul with. And yung
Four?
maski na umiyak ako, okay. Fourth, Meron pa ba?
Your
Naubusan-
career?
Yeah, I'm happy with my career, but we're talking about people.
No, I
diba?
said bagay,
okay.
tao, kahit ano. Ano
Yeah,
nagpapaligaya sa'yo?
My career, because it keeps me
Shindig
very
too. Kailan?
busy. That's part of my career.
Kailan nga?
That's on December 2. It's a
Okay.
totally different shindig.
Panglima.
Panglima?
May lalaki namang nagpapaligaya sa puso ni Pops. Puso, ah.
Sabi nila
Wholesome.
madami daw.
Oh. Ikaw ang tinatanong
In
ko.
particular, wala. Siguro, I'm just inspired because I'm inspired to find out also kung sino man yung next na magiging love life ko. Ganon. Pero,
So may dinedate ka na?
ito talaga. As if naman you don't know, grabe.
Eh sila nga, they don't know. I know, but they don't. So they have to know. It's called Chris and Tell.
I don't know. I don't want to call it dating because it's usually...
You're seeing some people.
I'm going out with people.
Okay.
Seeing means I think you're actually trying to be serious with someone.
Ganun ba yan?
Yeah,
Okay, so you're
that's
going
my
out.
version of it. I'm just going out and meeting new friends.
Ilan? Last question. Lima din ba? Bago ako mag-pause for a commercial.
Mamaya ko na kita sasagutin.
Pop, alam ko na nga. Eh, sila
Alam mo na-
hindi nila alam.
Yan yung konti lang.
Tatlo.
Ay!